waste plastic bags, and what I did was to stack about 10 pieces of nylons together. After stacking them together like this, make a cutting at the center of the stack of 10 plastic bags. Then I need just three of these plastic bags to make the weaving. This is what I'm going to do. This is 1/2 of the bag. Take my scissors and open up the closed part of the half piece of nylon. This is what I have, a long yarn of nylon. I'm repeating the same process for the other 2 nylons. So I'm taking the three yarns of nylon, and what I'm going to do is, you could just tie it together, but me, I want to use sellotape to join the 3 pieces of nylons together for start. So after that, I get on to weaving the nylon. You could use gum too for the beginning, but I just decided to use sellotape. Trim off the excess sellotape. Make sure the braid is tight so that you can take in the excess, all the imperfections. If you can make braid properly, this craft will not be difficult for you. I'll be using my leg to hold this tip so that I can weave properly, and once I'm done, I'll show you how I'm going to join another yarn to this yarn. I'm done weaving the first set of yarn, so what I want to do now is to join another strand of nylon to the 3 initially made. And you don't have to trim off the excess nylon because it's going to make the work bogus when you're trying to weave this part. But if you leave it that way, you can easily take in this excess nylon when you are weaving. Part is, but watch me weave it into a very neat weave. at this junction, I was attaching flowers I made from empty egg crates, and the tutorial for making this kind of flowers will be up in my channel soon. Everything I used for this tutorial were 75% of waste products, and this bag is a kind of bag you can take to the beach. You can use it to go shopping, you can use it to put your fruits. It's just an all-encompassing bag. Thanks for watching. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. Bye for now.